Magandang oras sa ating lahat guys. Ito yung ating barya ngayon guys. Ang 10 centimos na si Francisco Baltasar. Coins ito ng Pilipinas guys. Tapusin ang video guys para maintindihan natin at malaman natin ang katotohanan dahil mayroon itong halagang umaabot sa 2,055 pesos 0.55 centavos. A 1967 and 1974 10 centimos coin is a standard circulation coin from the Philippines, Republika ng Pilipinas, part of the Filipino series, made of nickel brass, featuring Francisco Baltasar on the reverse and the Philippine emblem on the obverse. Over 60 million were minted, while some from Denver and San Francisco. Of the 1974 10 centimos coins. These coins are readily available on collector sites like eBay and Omista, often in circulated condition with varying prices depending on their grade and condition. While standard 1974 10 centimos coins are common error version, particularly those with significant off-center strike or other minting flaws are what collectors seek, with examples like a 95% off-center strike being mentioned on eBay. Thought rarity and specific errors for this Philippine coin vary, making its discovery exciting for collectors. Standard 1967 and 1974 10 centimos are generally worth very little cents. Error coins value depends heavily on the severity of the error, condition, and collector demands, with some unique error pieces reaching higher prices. Inspect your 1967-1974 10 centimos closely for any unusual features, especially if large portion of the design are missing or if letters and image appear doubled or malformed, as these are the hallmark of a potentially valuable error coin. In eBay selling price for the 1967 and 1974 10 centimos, 95% off center with the price of 35 US dollars. In the Philippines, 2,055 pesos 0.55 centavos. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.